Assalamu alaikum students, I am Sananjum, your English teacher. I believe you are doing great and exciting activities in your homes. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. In our previous lecture we learned that adjectives are the words that describe or modify nouns or pronouns. It tells us about the quality, size, shape, color and the number of the things. For example, I am driving a red car. Here, red is an adjective. There is a round clock in my room. Here, round is an adjective in this sentence. So, adjectives tell us more about the nouns or pronouns. So, there are the 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative, and superlative degree. How can we form comparative and superlative degree? We can add er or est with the positive degree of the adjective to make it comparative and superlative degree. For example, clean, cleaner, cleanest; clever, cleverer, cleverest. But if an adjective is ending with e, so we will simply add r or est to make it comparative or superlative degree. As simple, simpler, simplest. Here you can notice that simple is ending with e. We added only r and st to make it comparative and superlative degree. So there are some adjectives are having more than 2 syllables. For those adjectives we will add more and most before the positive form. For example, difficult, more difficult, most difficult; beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. There are some irregular adjectives and there is no specific rule to change them into comparative or superlative degree. So you are going to learn these adjectives by heart: good, better, best, bad, worse and worst, little, less, least. So positive degree, how can we use the positive degree of an adjective? When we are talking about a single thing or a person, we use positive degree. For example, John is a tall boy. Here tall is an adjective. So here it is telling us the existence of the quality, that there is a boy who is tall. Comparative degree. Comparative degree is used to compare two persons or things with each other. For example, John is taller than William. Here it means that we are comparing two boys, that John's height is taller than William. Remember one thing, an adjective in comparative degree is followed by than. After the comparative degree we write than, as you can notice in the sentence. Superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare more than two persons or things. For example, John is the tallest of the 3 boys. Here it means that John's height is the tallest of these 3. Now remember one thing, we use article the before the superlative degree. As you can notice, tallest is the superlative degree and we have written the before it. So here is an exercise for you. Match adjective in list A with the noun in list B. First one is done for you, crowded street. So you are going to match these adjectives with the suitable noun. In exercise number 2, you have to fill in the blanks with comparative and superlative degree. I hope that you have learned that where we will use comparative degree and superlative degree. Comparative degree is used when there is a comparison between two things, and superlative degree is used when we are comparing more than two things. Okay, Ali is the dash pupil in the class. He considers honor dash than wealth. Mary is dash of the 5 children. Which of these 2 watches is dash? 500 grams is dash than a kilogram. My father is 5 years dash than my mother. Prevention is dash than cure. This is the dash story I have read. So this is the exercise. Here are some links for you. You can download the worksheets from these links for more practice. Solve these exercises and send me on my email ID. Thank you so much.